Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x square minus 14x plus 40 is equals to 2x plus 1 and we have to find the sum of the solution. So let's start with the today's solution. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So first we take all the terms together. So x square minus 14x minus 2x plus 40 minus 1 is equals to 0. So it becomes x square minus 16x plus 39 is equals to 0. Now it's look like an quadratic equation. But we are not going to solve for x because we have to find the sum. So for the sum, we have a formula. Sum is equals to minus b upon a. So if we compare this equation by quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So the value of b is the coefficient of x, that is minus 16. So minus 16 over the value of a is coefficient of x square, that is 1. So the answer is 16. That's how you can find the sum and save your time. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.